The OnePlus 10 Pro is a flagship smartphone that combines sleek design, robust performance, and advanced features, aiming to compete with other high-end devices in the market. Design and build. The OnePlus 10 Pro showcases a modern aesthetic with a soft-touch rear panel that resists fingerprints, providing a premium feel. The camera module seamlessly integrates into the frame, reminiscent of Samsung's contour cut design. Display. Featuring a 6.7-inch QHD+ AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, the OnePlus 10 Pro delivers vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The second-generation LTPO technology enables adaptive refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, optimizing battery life without compromising user experience. Performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and up to 12 GB of RAM, the OnePlus 10 Pro handles multitasking and demanding applications with ease. Camera. The OnePlus 10 Pro features a versatile camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad, including a 48MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 150-degree field of view, and an 8MP telephoto lens. Battery life and charging. The device houses a 5000 mAh battery, providing impressive endurance that comfortably lasts through a full day of heavy usage. Fast charging capabilities are notable, with the US version supporting 65 watts wired charging and 50 watts wireless charging. Overall, the OnePlus 10 Pro stands as a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market, offering a compelling combination of design,